Hey everyone, Cindy here with Grome Sewing Machine Company, San Antonio, Texas, and Universal City. So we decided that we better show you all this new stuff that we just got in. Some of it's new, some we sold out of, but we wanted to let you know that we've got it here for you. So let's just start. A while back we showed you some little tumblers and they were so cute and we sold out of them. So we ordered more and I added another one to the mix, and this one is called, whoops, I think I grabbed the wrong one. This is the purple one that says So Delicious, but we sold out of it and we got a new one. Where is it? Here, this one. It is so cute and I don't know, I think the color is navy. And for you quilters, it says, "This is how I roll." I don't know if the camera's getting a real close-up on it, but you've got your little rotary cutter. I thought this was so cute. So Christmas is coming up. Make sure that you buy your little gifts for all your sewing and quilting friends. And then people have been asking us for elastic. That's not something that we've ever carried. So I did get some in for you in case you're gonna make masks. We have a sherbet. We now have it in black and definitely a white. And maybe we'll add more colors. We're gonna test the waters and see how this elastic sells, but we'll add it to our fabric department. The other thing is we have cute little keychains now. So we've got one that's a pair of scissors, a little sewing machine, and a little measuring tape. These are really cute stocking stuffers for your sewing friends. Those of you that were lucky enough that you got the little magnets were completely sold out, but hopefully we'll get some more in. The other thing that we got in are kind of these little 3D luggage tags, and they're cute. So there's one with a little sewing cushion, little threads and scissors, and then there's one more, a spool of threads. Guys, these are only $1.49, cute little Christmas gifts. And wouldn't it look cute on your little bags when you go to sewing retreat? So don't forget these are here. And then we have these. Some of you, let's see if I can open one, have ordered these before, or Hannah will get a close-up so I don't tear the box. But they're these little rubber, they're called Stash and Store, and you can put your scissors, your tweezers, little things in there to keep right next to you. So we have that in pink and we have it in purple. These are items that we've carried before, but we thought we'd bring them back for the holidays. The new one is this, it's called Your Nest Organizer. Kind of the same concept, except it allows you to put some of your bigger size rulers. I think Hannah can probably zoom in on that, but this is another nice Christmas gift or stocking stuffer if you have a big stocking like I do. And then if you got friends that are just starting out with quilting or sewing, we brought these little sew line gift packs in, and it's got marking pencils and glue sticks, and I think there might be, not really sure what's in here, maybe a little ruler or something, and a really nice handy case. But these will make a really good Christmas present too. So we've got a few of those in stock. And then, let's see, I'm trying to do this fast. A lot of you like Laura Haney, and Barbara is going to teach a class next year. Some of you have commented on the little seahorse that we have there on the cutting table. So we do have the seahorse in stock again, but I've also added this, it's called Phoebe. It's a really simple one if you're just starting out with this type of work. And then I added the Perfect Form. This is cute for you sewers. I'd love to make this one, but we've got this in stock too. And then the little sewing bags, we sold out of the sewing bags so fast that we had to bring some in. And this one was called the Mandala. And one of our customers, Debbie, she colored hers and it was so beautiful. And it comes with a really cute little blingy sort of sewing machine right there on the end. I thought those were cute. So another nice Christmas gift. And then umbrellas. How many of you are still waiting for an umbrella? We've ordered them in, sold out. Well, we've got a few more of the little Simplicity umbrellas. Another nice Christmas present. And then lastly, fabric. We did get a portion of our Zen Chic fabric. And I think you can probably see it from there, or Hannah can zoom in. We're still missing a few boats, so you know how fabric goes. You may not get the full line right away. But this is what they've sent us, and we thought it was really pretty. And we also ordered the patterns in that go with the Zen Chic fabric. And this is the pattern here, and it's only $10 for you modern quilters. I think this is a cool pattern, so I'm hoping that Hannah will make this one too. All right, guys, so now we have 2 more boxes that we haven't checked in yet. This stuff will be ready to go in the system come Monday morning, and Hannah will follow me over to these 2 boxes, and let's see what's in there. Some of the stuff is things that we have sold out of, and I'll try and make this really quick. Well, silly me, I didn't know I had ordered elastic, so guess what? I reordered, different vendor. But the pink this time is a little bit darker, so now you have a darker pink. We got these sew slips back in for you free motion quilters, and then we sold out of rulers here, so that's a good thing. But I think I've added this one. This is a new one to our stash, and it's a 3.5 by 24.5, and then the normal size. This little ruler sold out so fast, so we had to bring some more in. This is the 60-degree diamond ruler. And then I did bring in a couple of new books, and here we've got time-saving quilts. This is for all of you people that love to sew with 2.5 strips or jelly rolls. I think we've got a few of those in stock. Those of you that came to our mini quilt festival, there was a quilt that placed, and I believe it was Joyce that made this particular quilt, and so we've got the pattern. And by the way, she's offered to teach this next year. So we've got this book in now, and then we've got the Ultimate Quilt Making book, which looks to be Learn to Quilt in 6 Easy Lessons. So if you're a beginner, great book for you. And then what else do I have? We brought back chopsticks because that one sold out. Yummy, I think that is a cute quilt with some of the fabrics that we have. And then trellis, I think we had this one, but we sold out. We sold out of the Westerly template sampler set for people that love ruler work, so they're back in stock. This one we sold out of. This pattern here is a quilt that we have up on our wall, and we get a lot of comments about it. It's called Strip Joints, so if you're one of the ones that liked it, the pattern is in stock. And then I think that's it for patterns. And then I ordered in some templates. So this one is called Double Bubble for you free motion quilters, and you could use it for edge to edge or just around your quilt. So there's your bubbles, and this one is called Splish Splash, Splish Splash. So that one's kind of an easy one to follow. And then we've got, let's see, A Piece of My Heart, and that's another nice one for you free motion quilters that don't have automation on your computers. So I thought we needed to add some of that to our store. Oh, and Tied with Ribbon. Look at this pattern. Is that not a sweet pattern? Anyways, I like brights, you already know that, and I thought this would look really pretty with brights. Then we brought in these again because we sold out, which is they're vinyl strips, and you just attach them to the bed of your sewing machine and it keeps you going straight. And then for those of you that ordered the quick easy border binding mitering tool, we've got these in stock again. And then the Kimberbell tape for you embroiderers, it's back in stock. And I think that's it in this box. Let's see, I think so. Radio Way, here's another easy pattern using 2.5-inch strips or your jelly rolls. So make sure these items here probably won't go in stock until Tuesday. And let's see what's in this box. So here we have, I think that's the same book. Yep, same beginner quilting book. This one is Sew This and That, and I like this one because it does involve piecing, but it gives you different projects, not necessarily just quilts. So come and pick up your copy. I did notice that here in Universal City, the books sell, and people enjoy them. So we'll continue to add books to our store. Here we have a 6-inch log cabin quilt. I think we had sold out of those. Double-eyed needle, and people use this needle for all sorts of things, but if you have a serger, definitely it's used with sergers. Your little grips that go underneath your ruler, those are now back in stock, so this keeps your ruler from sliding. And these little babies, people have been asking me for them, and I finally found them again. So this is that little ruler that's gonna give you your 1/4-inch mark, your 1 3/8, 1.5, or your 1/2-inch mark, I should say. So these are back in stock. And then we added add a 1/4 to your quilt, but I ordered them in pink, and I believe these are for breast cancer. So we've got these pretty pink ones now. Okay, don't laugh at me, all right? So I had to order this pattern because I thought it was so cute. It's called Funky Friends Factory, and this is Gertrude, the guinea pig. I just fell in love with her. I thought she was so cute. And I had to add Sue the squirrel. So if you've got grandkids, or if you're like me and you just love this kind of stuff, come pick up your pattern. These are so cute. And let's see, what else do we have? We sold out of the undercover. It's your sewing machine bag. So we've got those back in stock. And Karen, our free motion teacher, asked me to order the super slider. So this is kind of a step up from that so slip too. And this goes right on the bed of your sewing machine, a little bit better quality, and it just helps glide your fabric. So we have this in stock now. And I think maybe that's it, ladies, as far as the new stuff. Most of the other things in here are stuff that we just sold out of that you already know about. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, so something so simple like this, we completely sold out. Anyway, make sure you come back into the store and check all these new items out. And don't forget, the holidays are around the corner, so come and pick up your little gifts for your friends. Until our next box unreeling, we'll see you soon. Unveiling. Sorry about that, guys. It's Saturday. Have a great weekend. Bye.